Hello everyone, my name is Mars, and in today's video we are going to unbox something. This thing here, yeah, you see this? This thing, I know what this is. I didn't order this, but I know what this is. It's something that I won in a kind of a raffle that was conducted by our office, and yes, I have a job now. Oh my god. Anyway, we are going to unbox this because I don't know, I just want to make videos for fun. So, and you know, just chill and yeah, chill. I said chill. Okay, chill. Okay, let's oh my god, I haven't taken a video in a long time, so sorry. So anyway, let's just get unboxing. Okay, so we're gonna unbox. So I need something to unbox, so let me just get a utility knife right here. So we're gonna just do this. I hope I didn't rip anything. So here we are. Alright, cool. So it's in another paper bag. Cool. So let's rip it off as well. Be safe while using a knife. Alright, I guess I should rip. I'm not really I'm a noob unboxer. I barely unbox anything, let alone record it. I mean, that's not right. I mean, I've unboxed a lot of stuff, but I don't really unbox anything online. And why am I? I guess I did it in brute force. Ah, great. More box tape. Very carefully. I said rip the tape. Okay. There we go. Ah! Oh, look at that. It's what? Rock. Why does it smell? Why does this spell Rock Man? And then there's another Mega Man. They're both the same. But anyway. Oh, look. It's a Gundam box. Actually, well, it is not from the original Bandai, but it is Wing Zero, if you notice here, and it says Wing Angel. Dude, Wing Angel, really? Is this transformable? Let's open this. See. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to build a Gunpla. Oh no. Well, I didn't expect it to build a Gunpla, but we'll see. And by the way, this isn't original. I'm so sorry, guys. This was only sent to me. I mean, I would order the original Bandai ones. And great, I can't understand all of this because it's in Japanese. And here's all the instructions. Hooray! So, oh my lord, I guess we have to build this. Oh boy, I mean, it can't just be an unboxing and we'd be done with it. Let's see how well I can understand this. There's no English. Okay, let's get building this, I suppose. But there seems to be a loose part here. I hope that's not broken. Anyway, let's check. I have not built a Gunpla before, so I guess let's try it. Oh, there's a label. There's a label there, so let's find it. How will we cut this? So we're gonna get the front, which is the B15. So let me see if I can use a wire cutter because I don't have the tools. Because who would have expected that I will build Gundam today of all days. No! I thought we should wear gloves. It's fine, guys. It's fine. It's not broken. So there you go. There's the head right here. Wabam. Wabam. Don't fall down, oh my lord. Wabam. And a wabam. So it's like this. Uh-huh. Oh, look at that. It's like to build. Wait. We need Lesticar. Well, I took all of the adhesive. So let's put it there. Well, bam. And then I can put this here. And then swank. I assume I just snap it. Right? Right? Wabam! Ah, there we go, my dudes. There we go, my dudes. So there's a sticker for the head. I guess I have to find a tweezer to do this. Me? No, get off the tweezers. There we go. I think it's in there. I'm so good at this. Okay, we finish step 1. Just this one. It's this pointy thing. You know, the Gundam signature antennae. And a schwank. And a schwink. And a schwink over there. And crud. Schwank the antenna here, I think. There we go. Nice. And then the wing seems to have a sticker as well. Nice. Alright, let's do the other one. Be careful. Okay. And there we go. I think. Sorry, I'm not really precise at this. I try my best. Okay. And then swank it here. Then swank this there. There we go. Probably. That's fine. And now we can attach the ears here. Okay. I think it's in there. There we go. Sheesh. I'm a total noob at this. Boom! Nailed it. Look at that! I got Wayne Zero said. Woo! Nice. I'm gonna take a break and then continue this. Careful! Careful. Oh my god, I almost got the actual part. Oh no! I'm sorry. Oh god. Well, as long as the connecting points are okay. Like this. Because like this. There we go. Ah, nice and snug. Oh wait, okay, okay. No. I see it. Are they supposed to be close? Is that a thing that should be a thing? Okay, now I'm scared because it's not snapping back. Dude, I know myself. If I use excessive force, it's. I'm just gonna break this. Is it? No. What am I doing? It won't go in further. That's the problem. I'm resisting the urge to use force here. You don't understand, guys. You know. Sometimes I don't know my own strength. Oh no. There we go. I forced it. But now this thing is dented. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so... But look. Things snap. It fit there. Alright? You don't understand. Shrunk. And a shrunk. And a schwankers. You need to merge them first, like this. Like this, right? Yep. Like that. There. Go. There we go. Step 2 is done. I think it's done. and that takes care of that. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Alright, that's step 2. Is the legs. And it should be like this, I think. Oh my god, it almost flew out the window. Goes underneath. Here. Like this? I assume. Wow, that's like the dirtiest cut I did. Oh no, I might have made a mistake. I'm sorry, I'm so confused. Oh, it should slide like this. Alright. Right. And then like this, I think. Oh no. Yep, I did snap something that I shouldn't have. Oh, this is bad. Okay, what do I do with this? I'm so sorry. I'm so dumb. I'm a dumb. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, let me try to rectify the situation. Did it? It doesn't seem to. Is this even working at all? Do I need to buy a new super glue? It should be fine, right? This thing goes to here. This. Oh, I was in the wrong side. I'm so sorry. Okay. Well, that thing fell off. Let me just put this thing first. It's fine. Everything's fine. Nothing is broken. There we go. There. The arms. I made the arms. There's the arms. This is the other arms. That one doesn't even snap in there. We really need to super glue this. There you go. stay there. Stay there, my dudes. Okay? Okay, good. So I can cut this. And then just snap this one. Because this is the mistake I did. Is that I accidentally cut this little thing off. So this one, no more. Not gonna make the same mistakes. There we go. Look at that. It's just snapped right in. No need to use super glue. Like an idiot. There we go. There's both the arms. And it's right. The pants are right side now. At that. Bam. Well, wait. I'm not yet done. There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Ah, look at that. I got the arms now. The arms are looking good. Even though I made a bit of mistake. The super glue is not obvious. Alright, I'm gonna take a break and we're gonna proceed to the leggers next. Oh, there's another deal of those screws. But I have to be careful to cut it. Oh, there we go. And we're just gonna like this, I think. Like that. Yeah. It. Hello? Hello? I think it's right. Wait, what the heck? There we go. Oh god. Why? What? Why? What? What? Get in there. Get in there, my friend. There we go. Hooray! So we're gonna attach this like this. Wait. I think it's right. The picture says it's like this. So I'm gonna attach that. Snap that. Place this. That. There we go. Ah, I got the little Gundam feet. Ka-chunk. Hey! I got the little Gundam feet. So that's step 5. Snap it in. Ooh! Oh, this is the last piece for B1. You can throw this away. Touch that. And now have our little Gundam legs. Like that. Hey! Hooray! Alright, so step 7, we need the 2 leggers. And then I think we're gonna attach the legs like this and like this. So yay! It's already standing. It's right? It was positioned in there. Alright. And then I think it's like this. There we go. And then we insert it like this. Gundam's little belt. And now we can attach this to the legs. Right here. Oh crap. Oh crap. No, wait. No. Ah! Crap. It keeps coming off. I'm gonna just take it off for now. What is wrong with this? Come on. My thumbs hurt. Why is it not snapping? There we go, it's finally snapped. There we go. Okay, I think I can still insert the feet. There we go. Easy. That was easier. But anyway, yay, the lower body is done. Alright, so we can now assemble the head to this. Let's bolt it in. Ka-chunk. The left arm and then the right arm. I swapped that was some wrong size. And finally, we can attach the legs. Oh my god. What the? There we go. Oh, look at it! It's a Gundam! It's not yet done though. It is. If you notice, it's wing 0. So it needs to have wings. So, ka-chunk. Massage that so it fits. Alright, and then, so we're gonna attach it like this. Oh gosh, did I do it right? I am right here, like this. Alright, there we go. Do this. Ah, there we go. So that's one wing done. Nice. There we go. Woo! And then we're gonna do the other wing as well. Alright. Just up around. Go over. There we go. And then we're gonna bring back our little boy here. We're gonna... Ah, okay. So 9. 9 is this. I'm gonna attach it like this. Ooh. And like this. Come on. Gotta go. Wow, look at that! Ah, dude, now it has wings. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. That's adorable. So, now we can start the Buster Rifle. We are almost done. I almost got something again. Oh my lord. Mars, please. No? Snap. There we go. There we go. It's going to be attached here. There's a tiny slot there. That goes into Wing Zero's tiny hand. I don't really know how to add special effects, so... Alright, so lastly, I think, is the shields, my dude. Ka-chunk. Ka-chunk. Like this. That's not easy. I have to detach this. And I think it said it has to be attached like this, so it has shield. So let me reattach this again. I thought the shields was on the side. You attach it to the grooves. Like this. Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Cannot snap. Cannot snap them in here. Come on. That should be fine. It's yeah. There we go. Here, for pity's sake, you can act. It does seem like you can transform it into bird mode. I already struggled a lot with this, so screw that. It's gonna look like this. Now it's done.
Ta-da! It's finished! I didn't bother filming myself building the stand because come on, it's just a stand. I have to say, it's quite good given that this is a bootleg and it's passable for my first Gunpla build. I do have some gripes in this build, like how some parts doesn't snap properly and I have to use extra force to snap it in. I don't know if there are cases like this on original Bandai builds, so let me know in the comments below. Also, there are parts that is off color. Those things in the Gundam's arms, the cylinders are supposed to be like blackish and part of the hands are supposed to be gray as well. I'm just very nitpicky like that. Well, I'll probably just gonna grab some hobby paints and color them myself. We'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's quite long than the usual videos here, but there were a lot of things to cover. I like doing DIYs and making videos, and if you want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!